Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and screenshot someone's BeReal without them knowing. So guys, for that purpose what you gotta do is, you can see if here in BeReal, if you take a screenshot, apparently that person get notifies, right? So for that purpose, if you are trying to screenshot, what you gotta do, go to your networks and you will turn off your Wi-Fi. You will swipe down and you will turn on this flight mode, which will stop all of the network connections. And then what you can do, you can go to your BeReal and you will be able to take a screenshot, right? You will take a screenshot, you will come back, and what you will do, go to your settings, find your apps, find the app, and now you will go to this option called storage, and now you will clear cache, plus you will click data as well. This will clear out all of the data that will be restored. After you're done, once again come back, you're gonna search BeReal and you will make sure that you uninstall your app, and then you will again turn on your network connection. You will turn off flight mode, turn on network connection, again reinstall. That is one of the possibilities for you to be able to take a screenshot without that person knowing. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful and I hope it works out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you got more questions, to leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.